It's a crowd-loving chili and garlic shrimp on the menu, y'all. Welcome to Nanaba's Kitchen. Let's start with cleaning the shrimp. So I snip those eyes off. You don't have to, but I don't like them looking at me while I'm enjoying them. I also trim the crown off because they're sharp and very pointy and they can hurt you. So trim those off and remove the whiskers, those long whiskers as well. And then let's learn how to devein the shrimp while keeping the shell on. So I use my scissors and I go right at the base of the head and snip all the way almost to the tail, and I go in to the spine area with a toothpick and remove the vein, just like so. Now the gastrointestinal tract of the shrimp has been removed. And then give them a final rinse with some running water and set them in a bowl. And underneath the bowl is a paper towel so they're not sitting in the juices. They release while they're waiting to be cooked. This recipe requires lots of garlic because it even has garlic in the name. All right, the garlic, we're going to treat it by giving it a very fine mince. A food processor will be perfect for this. And yes, I was enjoying myself. Sister Madame loves cooking. Oh, I enjoy cooking. Yeah, cooking is my life. All right, so that it's a perfect texture. Now here are my chilies and I'm using Fresno's. I'm going to remove the seeds and give them also a fine chop. Now the seeds are what carry the heat in the chilies, and I'd like to bring that heat level down just a little bit, but you can leave yours in. It's a matter of preference, friends. It is your food, and like I always say, you must express yourself the way you want to. Don't limit yourself. All right, now the glove is going to help prevent those seeds from getting my fingers that incinerating burn. Nobody needs that. Now, a mild onion flavor really complements the rest of the other flavors we have going on here. So I'm using the white part of scallions and I give those also a fine chop. Now let's cook. I have my wok on the stove and it's on medium heat, and I'm going to pour in a whole cup of cooking olive oil. And we're going to heat up the oil and then pour in the garlic. Cook that until it starts forming a golden color, and then we'll hit it with our chilies and the scallions. Now we've gotten that golden brown color on the garlic, so we're going to add the scallions and the chilies. And because those are cool ingredients, all right, cool in terms of temperature, they're going to bring down the temperature of the oil and prevent the garlic from burning. Very nice. Now we're going to season with a little bit of salt plus white pepper and shrimp powder. This is smoked and dried and then turned into powder, and it replaces MSG. And we all know MSG is glutamate seasoning, is essentially umami, friends. And so any umamified ingredient that you like to use in cooking will be great here because this dish needs umami, and this dish could use that MSG flavor. So if you don't mind cooking with MSG, definitely add a pinch of that in here. It will really brighten the flavors up. Now I have separated the fried ingredients from the oil, and I'm storing a bit of the oil because imagine that as a dip for your bread, or even use it to fry your omelet, or drizzle some of that on your vinaigrettes. It will be excellent. Now it's time to fry the shrimps, and I left just a little bit of that fragrant oil in the wok. And basically what we're doing here is putting a sear on these shrimps. Now we're going to cook them until they have a smokiness as well. So I have cranked the heat up. Remember, we're cooking shrimps, and if you cook them on low heat, they will become rubbery. Absolutely. So crank the heat up. And yes, this one set off my smoke sensor a few times. Yes, but it was all good. And I did have to go and flip them a few times, move them around until I got that smoky nature I'm going for. And so I cooked them approximately 3 minutes on each side. And they were perfect. And I did cook them in batches because I had quite a few shrimps. I had 22 pieces in all. Done. All of them go back into the wok, and then we add our fried ingredients, toss them up, and at this point I have turned the heat completely off. I'm also going to season with some salt and be light-handed with the salt because shrimps are already seasoned. They're sea salty and briny. All right, now final touch of scallions, the green part. Just chop them anyhow you want to and throw them on there just to brighten things up and give it that show-stopping look. Now I have 1 lemon here, and I'm going to slice them up because a drizzle of lemon or lime juice is all these shrimps need. Yes, citrus essence and also the acidity from them are an excellent, actually genius pairings for your seafood. I have sliced up some cucumber we're going to serve these with because remember the chilies in there. Yeah, the cucumber is going to bring that cooling, fresh effect in your mouth. You will love them, and also that fresh crunch they offer is pure excellence, friends. Enjoy and give me a thumbs up if you haven't already done so. It is garlicky. It is also very, very chili forward. However, the heat is not even there because of the cooling effects, the chilling cooling effects of the cucumber. Great idea. And the crunch from the garlic, the fried garlic, is like an indulgence crumble. Woo! This is a winner, and you must try it. You'll love it. Thank you for joining us. Make it a great day and have fun, especially in that kitchen. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. It's chop time! Yes! Thank you, beautiful person, for watching the video all the way to the end. Kindly leave me a comment and subscribe down below. And don't forget to share the video as well. Also, watch more videos. It is chop time, and here in Anaba's kitchen, chop time is always yes, friends. So pull up a chair. We are all friends and family here.